Hello and welcome to OneShub Video Tutorials. My name is Reba. I am a part of support team here at OneShub. In today's video, we will see how to customize user notifications for your booking pages. Now, user notifications are the notifications that you as a user receive when a client books a meeting with you. So let's get started. You would first need to sign into your OneShub account and then click on booking pages here on the left hand side. Then hover over to the icons on the left and go to Notification Templates Editor. Now, this is the by default template that is used. At the top, there's an option of notification scenario, and if you click on the drop down, it includes all the scenarios for which you can customize the notification, like automatic booking, the calendar events, the reminder and follow up emails, and so on. So, first step is to select the relevant template or the scenario. Once you have selected it, the next step would be to create a custom template. So click on new custom template and I'll create one. Now, for template content, you can either select blank template and start from the scratch, or you can choose based on default template and make change to the existing template. Once template has been created, you would need to click on convert to custom template and then it will be ready for the editing. Now, on the right hand side, there are some of the predefined dynamic fields. So, if you want to include any of these details or any of the field within the form or the template, you would simply need to click on it and that field will be inserted within the template. Now, let's make some changes into our template. So, we have just made some small tweaks here. Now the template has been created. Next step is to apply it on our booking pages. So we will go back to the booking pages section. So you would need to open your booking page. The option of user notification is available under the booking pages section. So here's the user notification once you open your booking page. First, you would need to select the scenario since we made the template for automatic booking. So this is our scenario, and from the drop down, I will select the template I created and save. Now that the template is created, we will just make a booking and see if it was applied correctly. And done. Okay, so our booking is made. Now let's go to the email and check. This is the one we just booked. So the change that we made here, this is done correctly, and at the bottom this is also updated. So this is how we customize user notifications for your booking pages. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.